Hello everyone, welcome back to the Art of Hand Tools. My name is Jonah Nelson, and I wanted to go over really quick for you the anatomy of a block plane. Specifically, this is a 6 1/4 Stanley. I do need to put in some time and flatten the shoe. This was a common problem for this block plane, and there are definitely some nicks in there. However, at the moment, the main thing I wanted to do was to go over the different pieces of this block plane and explain to you a few of the idiosyncrasies. So, really quick, on smaller block planes and many other smaller planes, one thing that you'll find, and I'll pull this apart for you in a minute, is that the chip breaker and the lever cap, this is the lever cap up here, are one. So in here you can see there's no second piece of steel coming down. The chip breaker is where that Stanley symbol is. What I'm doing is making the knob so that the actual iron, the blade, comes out of the shoe. And so that chip breaker is what knocks off pieces of wood as you shave them across. Really quick, let's pull this block plane to pieces, and let me show. So the first thing you have to do is pull off. This is the lever cap. You can see that it's got a mechanism to tighten down on the blade, which is known as the iron, and that's this right here. And that comes off. In other bigger planes, you'd have a chip breaker that goes in between these two, and that you can then adjust. Kind of see I've got some shavings there. That you can adjust to adjust where the pieces of the shavings of wood get broken off, and so that can make for a finer shaving versus a thicker shaving and everything like that. Now on smaller block planes and some other smaller planes, you don't really have a tote, which is the handle that usually sits at the back here. And so this is a much smaller one. You can see these indents on the side. It's meant to be held like this and slid along and shaved. So what you do here, though, this bottom part here is the shoe, and it has an integrated frog. And what this thing allows you to do is tighten down, pushing the blade down. See how that slides in and snaps down, and as you tighten, it pushes. Let me see if I can get that in a better. As you loosen it, it pulls up, and as you tighten it, it pushes down, which pushes the blade out the bottom of the iron. Okay, lever cap, iron, shoe, frog. There's no tote, and the chip breaker is part of the lever cap. And then, of course, you've got your two knobs. This piece up here is called the knob. And what this, on this block plane, what it allows you to do is here, let's see if I can get it held. It allows you to adjust the opening in the shoe. So those are the main pieces of a block plane. Specifically, again, this is the 6 1/4 Stanley. One last time to go over everything: lever cap and chip breaker, iron, shoe, frog, knob, and there's no tote, no handle in the back where this would be. But those are the pieces. If you're interested in this kind of stuff, head over to theartofhandtools.com. I'll put a link down below. We will add videos and articles talking about more of our planes and how to use them, not just going over the different pieces. And next time I'll show you the differences between a block plane and a Stanley number 10 or one of the other bigger planes that have a bit more recognizable pieces. Thanks again for stopping by. Hope you guys have a good day.